from Fixin' It with Zoe Lyn, and today I'm at the Rats for Autism Rat Rod Car Show. Today I'm with my new friend Kevin's cool 1971 Beetle modified with a Chevy 350 engine. Kevin got this car off of Craigslist, and man did he go crazy with modifications. The interior was like no other bug I've ever seen. It was way cooler. Check it out. You should also check out my bonus footage at the end of this video. Kevin painted his bug to look like a Hot Wheels car that he has displayed on the top of his hood. If you like this car, then make sure to smash that like button. His Beetle is built on a S10 truck frame, so it has a 350 V8 and a 700 R4 transmission, so it is very powerful and great for pulling his trailer. He said he didn't care about gas mileages because this baby's made for speed. Kevin said that he loved this car because who wouldn't want to drive a real-life Hot Wheels car? He drives his car at least once a week to turn some heads. It's cool because it has no fenders and big tires. In my opinion, the coolest part of this entire car was the little trailer that he brought to every car show with him. I checked to see who lived inside, if there was any like little teddy bears or something, but the door wouldn't open. I finally had enough time to ride in a super cool car. It surely wasn't the fastest car I've ever been in, but it really was the fastest bug I've ever been in. It was super cool, but super hard to film in because of how bumpy the grass was and how fast we were going. Thanks for the ride in your super cool car, Kevin. Stay tuned for my extra bonus footage. I had a great time out here at Rats for Autism, and what a great cause too. I'm so glad I could help. Thank you, Kevin, for letting me ride in your car and film it. You've been watching Fixin' It with Zoe Lyn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye! And here's my extra bonus footage. I just had to show you guys this super cool flamethrower rat rod truck. It's the coolest truck I've ever seen. And it threw flames so high in the air that it actually got kind of scary. Wait for it. Wasn't that some crazy hillbilly fun? Can't wait to see you all next time. Bye!